guys, what's up? So it's Kavine here, and today I am going to be giving Courtney's room a makeover. He just, well, a few hours ago went to play football, and I opted not to go because it was just so far. So I'm going to give his room a little makeover because I just feel like this room has so much potential and he's just letting it like slip away. So I'm gonna tap into my creativity and give his room a makeover. So right now I'm gonna show you a little bit of what it looks like right now and show you what I did to it. All right, y'all, so this is the closet and it's very unorganized right now, and nothing kills me more than an unorganized closet, so I'm gonna organize that for him. Crap, okay. And that's the door to close the closet. This is his mirror. Boom. Mirror, mirror. Those pink sheets gotta go. The curtains, I like the color scheme. I'm not going to be too drastic or dramatic with it because obviously if I was to hang these curtains, I'd probably hang it higher and make them longer to give the room more of a lengthy look. He installed these LED lights up here. I'm not the biggest fan of them, but yeah. And then his teddy bear, like, he won this at Coral Cliff. He's so in love with it. And I have some clothes over there I need to fold. Boom. That's my suitcase. So yeah, I wish I had more picture frames. I wish I had so much more of my designer stuff, but I don't. So I'm gonna clean up this room and show you guys the after. Peace.
You know this cookies for the bag. Kitty, kitty, baby, get her things around.
Alright guys, this is what I did. Last night was like crazy, but I changed the sheet to the silver and gray, so it's silver and red, the whole dynamic. I kept his little teddy bear here and that night light there. This is his fan and his music over there, but I transformed it